Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Google Drive, which is an application you can access through your Temple email account, and it's something that we're going to be using in class throughout the semester. So first what you're going to do is just pull up your Temple email, you're going to log in, and depending on how Google changes its icons, you're going to find it in different places, but for right now, if you go up into the right hand corner, you're going to click on your applications and simply click on Drive. Once you're into your Google Drive account, you're going to see a variety of different things depending on whether you've used it before or not. This is the inside of my Google Drive, so these are the folders I have here. What you're going to be looking for is a folder called MSP 2741 Spring 2014. Just click on that. If you have trouble finding that, if for some reason it isn't showing up once I share it with you, you just simply want to click on Shared with Me, and everything that has been shared with you by another person will appear in that section. So that's a good way to find things you can't quite find. What you're going to notice is two folders, student folders and course content. Student folders, that's really for my purposes. What's going to happen is inside this folder is going to be all of your folders. Each student will have an individual folder, and what I'm going to do is upload different things into your rubrics, feedback, various things. So that's going to be a folder that only you can access and I can access. No one else in class will be able to access that information. The course content folder is really going to be what you're going to be using a lot. Right now I haven't updated everything, but you're going to see something like a project feedback folder, project outline folder. This document here is to upload your website links, and that's an assignment that we'll be talking about later in class. But it's a great tool. You can open up a lot of different kinds of things in Google Drive. For example, Excel documents, which I made right in Google Drive, as well as all different other kinds of documents. So, in order to use Google Drive, it's very simple. If you want to upload any kind of file or an entire folder, you're simply going to click on this up arrow and upload whatever you need to. Now, when you are uploading, you need to make sure that in your settings bar over here, scroll down to Upload Settings, make sure that this Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Format item is selected, that there should be a check mark next to it. What that will do is anytime you upload a file, it will convert it to Google Docs format, allowing you to edit that document directly in Google Drive. So that's very important. You can also create your own documents. So you can create a folder, a Word doc, a presentation, so like a PowerPoint, a spreadsheet, a form like a survey, and a drawing. So there's lots of things that you can do very easily, and you simply click on them and title them. So this is, again, something we're going to be using a lot. Here is also how you want to go about using this. So if you, let's say we're going to create a document, it's going to open it up. If I want to title that document, I'm going to simply go up here and title it here, document 1, let's say. Okay, what happens is Google Drive automatically saves everything that you do. So there is no save button, it's automatically going to save it, and you want to make sure before you close out of anything it says all changes have been saved in the drive. You'll notice a pretty standard toolbar, not a whole lot of options, but basically everything that you'll need. And what's really cool about Google Drive is you can collaborate with others in real time. So if I share this document with 10 other people, we can all be on the document at the same time, typing, adding comments, and you can see exactly where those other people are within the document. You'll also get, once you have other people in here, you'll get an IM screen, so you can actually instant message all of the other people who are working on the document with you at that exact moment. Okay. So if you want to actually share a document, it's very easy. You're simply going to click on the box of whatever document you want to share, and you're going to click this little person icon, and then you are going to add other people. So you can invite them, depending on how your contacts are formed in your Temple email account, by their name or simply by their email address. And what's going to happen is if I share that, you can decide whether or not they can edit it or simply view it. So in terms of your individual student folders, some of those documents are probably going to be view only, especially in terms of your grades. But if it's something that I want you to be able to edit as well, I will say can edit. I can share and save that. I can add a message that will be sent in an email. I can save a copy for myself. So it's really pretty easy to share things and to change people's abilities to edit or not edit content. So that's the basic rundown of Google Drive. It's a really fairly simple application, but something that you can use for a lot of different things and that we're going to be using in this class a lot. If you have any other questions about Google Drive, please feel free to email me, and that's how it works.